What is Maya?
Reflection of your ego.
What does it literally mean? Translate into?
An illusion.
Illusions. Why do all the scriptures, Ashtavakra, Guruji also, everybody says this world is an illusion. Why? What does that mean?
Everything is drama.
Everything is drama. And
Everything is changing.
everything is changing.
Yet, not the door.
Yes, and not the devil.
Yeah.
And
And our perception of what is changing
what I see is different from what he sees. Yeah, you've heard about this, no? One man's food is another man's poison. Yeah, forget man, even the man, human and an animal perception is different. Yeah, where you and I cannot see, a cat can see. Yeah, even in the dark. Yeah, so perception is limited to this physical body. Are you seeing this? It's limited to this sense of sight, and it varies from creature to creature or whatever, physical form to physical form. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Yeah. So the way one sees the world is not really like that. And above that, your fantastic small mind gets lost in what it perceives. Are you seeing this? First of all, there is flaw in my perception. Step number 1. Step number 2, whatever I have perceived, I have either started holding on to it or rejecting it. I like this, I dislike this. I want this, I don't want this. This should be like this shouldn't be like this. Are you seeing this? Yeah, I'm lost in, what are these two called? Raga and Dvesha. Yes? Now this understanding that you have, did you have this some time ago, few years ago? No, na? So there are 3 stages of Maya. Take your memory back to few years ago. You were not even aware that all this is Maya. You were not even aware, oh, my mind gets stuck in this person, my mind gets stuck in this thing, and then I do all the drama around it. Yeah, and then I start blaming people, start blaming situations. You know, I create dukkha for myself and the other person. Yeah, you used to think the whole world is out to get me. This is the first stage where I'm not even aware of Maya. Yeah? Here Maya is a bondage. What is the next stage? What is the next stage?
You become aware.
Beautiful. Yes, he hit the bullseye. You recognize Maya now. Oh, this is my raga. Yeah, around this I am creating so much drama. And it's all of the small mind. Today the small mind likes her, says this, wow, this is good, this is great, this is the way it should be. You should be only with me, you be my only friend. After a few days the small mind changes party, no? Oh, now I don't like you. Are you seeing this? All the drama of the small mind. But at least now I am not blaming the world. Now I understand my mind is the cause of Maya. Do you get it? Yes. So now from bondage, at least it's moved to, it's an attachment. Yeah. I understand it is me that is the problem, not the world. Yeah. And third stage, when Ashtavakra is taking you, what is the third stage?
Bliss.
Okay,
Do
bliss.
much. Now separate yourself from
Beautiful. Sakshi, where I become a witness. Oh, it's all a game. I am bigger than this. These are all small games of the mind. Just like my mind used to play the games, somebody else's mind is playing the game. Now I don't, because of the clashes between the minds, I don't take it to heart. I don't create a scene. Now I've, matured. Yeah, now it is all a leela. Which stage are you at? Homework for you, huh? Where are you? Yeah, start thinking about this. Where am I? Yeah, and how can I make this better for myself? Yeah, when I do drama, actually it's dukkha for me, no? It's for a few minutes, it's for the other person. That person forgets also. He goes away, enjoys his Sunday. Full day, what? My mind goes on. He did this, she did this happened, then that happened. Full day. I've wasted my Sunday just because of that little one thing that I was attached to. I want this or I don't want this. Are you seeing this?
Yeah, now it's changing a lot.
Beautiful. And what is helping? What is helping it change? Do you recognize it?
Yeah, recognize a lot. Something I'm doing, okay, this is not my matter. Like that.
What is helping you change?
Just succeed how and don't angry.
Knowledge.
Knowledge, yes. Yeah, knowledge.
Jnana.
Got
Yeah, very important. Every day the mind gets dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, with all this drama. Every day you have to clean it, no? Yeah. That is why knowledge. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Every day little bit of knowledge you read. Every day pick up. Guruji, so many things come on Facebook. Yeah, you're wasting time looking at other people's profiles and getting jealous. Oh, he has a big car. Oh, he went to Switzerland. Drop all these things there. What you're getting attached to. Yeah. Look at Guruji's profile. Read one knowledge sheet, one small knowledge sheet every day and think about that. Better than feeling jealous about somebody else's possession or somebody else's fantastic photographs. Yeah. That is why we'll have a knowledge weekend next weekend. Yeah, Bhagavad Gita, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Intensive. We'll go through all the shlokas. Yeah, we'll get our own lunch together. We'll all sit and have lunch together both the days. Yeah. Saturday morning we'll begin with long kriya. So if you have people who are not in art of living and are interested in doing, they can come at 11 a.m. They can join us. Yeah. So let them join. Maybe with knowledge they get more interested in joining art of living. But that is secondary. Yeah? Knowledge helps everybody. Yeah? So let everybody come. Okay? You know, no? We all have to meet at Srinath's house. It's in Plainfield. Yeah, but there are people joining us from all over the country on Google Hangout also. Yeah? So if you have friends who are not in the city but are interested, just send us their Gmail ID. Google Hangout accepts only Gmail. Yeah? So just send the Gmail ID to me or Mangla or Rajiv and we'll add them. Okay? So we take a quick break.